Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Deployment Services on Windows Server 2012 R2. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is log on to our Windows Server 2012 box, which I have here as you can see. We right click on the Start menu, go to Programs and Features, and then go Turn Windows Feature on or off. Just give that a moment to load up the Server Manager, and it will automatically open the Add Role wizard. So it's asking me the installation type, so it's a role-based or feature-based installation I want, so click Next. It's asking me the server that I want to install onto, so click Next. And on this page we scroll down to the bottom, and there it is, Windows Deployment Services. So we put a tick next to that. The following tools are required to manage this feature, but do not have to be installed at the same time. And I'll put Include Management Tools if applicable. Click Add Feature, and click Next. I'm not changing anything in here, so just click Next again. It takes me to Windows Deployment Services, and it says you can use Windows Deployment Services to install and configure Microsoft Windows operating system remotely on a computer that is PXE enabled. That's Pixie booting. You may know it better as that. Windows Deployment Services replaces Remote Installation Services, RIS, and assists with the rapid adoption and deployment of Windows. The Windows Deployment Service MMC snap-in allows you to manage all aspects of Windows Deployment Services. Windows Deployment Services also provides end users with an experience consistent with the Windows setup. Things to note. Deployment services require DHCP and DNS services are available on your network. Transport server does not require any additional roles or services. Both of these services require an NTFS partition for the file store. Before you begin, you need to configure Windows Deployment Services by running either the Windows Deployment Services Configuration Wizard or wdsdetails.exe. You also need to add at least one boot image and one install image to the image store. To install a Windows operating system for Windows Deployment Services server, either the client computer must be Pixie boot enabled, PXE enabled, or you must use the Windows Server 2008 R2 version of Windows pre-install environment. So basically a little disclaimer, so click Next. I'm going to install the transport server and the deployment server, so I'm just going to click Next, and it's just asking me to confirm this. It's also asking me if I should use restart the destination server automatically if required. I'm going to click Yes. If a restart servers automatically without adding notification, do you wish to allow automatic restart? So I'm going to click Yes. It says optional features such as administration tools might be displayed on this page because they have been selected automatically. If you don't want to install these options, click Previous to clear them. Everything there looks fine, so I'm just going to click Install. As you can see, if I move that out of the way, WDS is now installed. It's saying close the wizard, so I click Close, close that down. It doesn't look like it required a reboot. However, I'm going to give it a reboot anyway. I'm going to click here, right click, shut down and restart. And we'll wait for that to restart. Okay, and we're back, and I've logged back into the server. As you can see, WDS is installed. So I should be able to go up to Tools, Windows Deployment Services, and here is the snap-in. So under Servers we have my current server, and then we have Active Directory pre-stages devices. Okay, so WDS is now installed, and in another tutorial I'll teach you how to make an image and deploy it using WDS.
If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.